Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to run Python in Visual Studio Code. So we're going to run Python in Visual Studio Code with some first step we're going to install VS Code, and second step we're going to install Python. Third step, connect Python with VS Code, and then step 4, run fast Python program on VS Code. So let's do the first step. We're going to install VS Code. Before that, we need to come over any of our favorite browser, and then we need to come over into the search option, and here we need to search for VS Code. After searching for VS Code, we're going to find the Visual Studio Code over here. We're going to simply click on the download option, and here we'll get 3 different operating system version over here. So we're going to download for the Windows. Click on the Windows, and then the download file will become Win. Click on simply download, and as you can see that the VS Code is downloaded, and now we're going to install it in our computer. So for that we need to click on the folder icon, and here we're going to find the Visual Studio Code. So we're going to click on it to install, and then going to minimize all the background app, and then we're going to I accept the agreement, and then click next. Click next another time. Next, and going to check these 3 boxes over here. Click next and install. As you can see, they are preparing to installing, so it will take couple of seconds. So the installation is complete, and now if we just click finish, the Visual Studio Code will be rightly open. So now we're going to go for our second step to install Python. So for that we need to create another new tab, and here we're going to search for Python. And then we're going to come over into the download option. Click on the download. Click on download Python 3.13.5. Click on that and simply click on download. So as you can see, the download has been completed, and now we're going to click on the folder icon and going to install the Python. Before that, we're going to minimize all the background tab. And now we're going to go for installing Python. To click on the setup wizard. So here we can simply go for customize installation, or we can go for install now. So for that, I'm going to go for the install now option, and simply the installation will be begin. And as you can see, the setup was successful, and we're going to click on close. And now we're going to looking for to connect Python with VS Code. So after installing Python, we're going to first check the Python is rightly installed or not. So for that, we're going to go for the CMD prompt and type here Python space -- call version. Click enter, and you can see rightly the Python 3.13.5 is rightly showing. So now we're going to go for the Visual Studio Code and going to connect Python in Visual Studio Code. So for that, going to click on the Visual Studio Code icon. And here we're going to create a new file. Go for open folder. Going to go for the desktop and going to create a new folder. Going to name it as Python. Select folder. And after that, we're going to create a new file, and the file name should be demo.py. That's it. Going to save everything. And as you can see, the code editor is rightly open. So before that, could need some extensions to start coding with Python. So for that, we need to type here the Python extension. Here's the Python. As you can see, right, I already installed the Python over here. That's why it's showing installed, or right, this kind of settings are rightly showing. So you must install the Python from the Microsoft.com, and after we're going to type or come into our demo.py and going to check that it's rightly working or not. For that, we're going to type here print. Going to give the first bracket. So to save everything, and now we're going to run it. So as you can see right now, from the terminal, it's rightly showing Python first project. So as you can see that we rightly set up our Python program on VS Code. So this is how we can simply do with these simple methods. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.